Our top focus remains on the bomb scare. 9 schools in Delhi NCR have received a bomb threat via email. This has prompted swift evacuations and deployment of bomb disposal squads. Now, the schools included the Delhi Public School, Noida, Dwarka, and Vasant Kunj, Sanskriti School, the Mother Mayur Vihar, and Amrita Vidyalam, the DAV Vasant Kunj, and Shriram Vasant Vihar. These schools were also targeted with email. Now, the police and fire services are conducting thorough searches while students have been sent home as a precautionary measure. Despite extensive efforts, nothing suspicious has been found yet. This latest threat comes after Children's Hospital in Delhi's east area of Shahadra also got a hoax bomb threat yesterday. The bomb threat email was also sent to at least 50 other entities, including government departments. Meanwhile, Indian authorities have upped security at multiple airports across the nation after bomb threats were received at the airports of Mumbai, Goa, Bhopal and Nagpur as well.
अंदर गए तो तलाशी ली तो क्या मिला?
अभी टीम सर्च कर रही है, ऐसा कुछ भी अभी तक नहीं मिला है सस्पिशियस। बाकी वेरीफाइड है जिस ईमेल से ये मेल आया है और इन सारी चीज़ों से काम करते हैं ये सारा हमारा साइबर का स्टाफ और जो भी एक्सपर्ट है साइबर ये सारा
सर कितने बजे कॉल आई?
कॉल नहीं आई है, मेल आया
सर।
मेल ये रात के टाइम आया है, अर्ली मॉर्निंग आया
सर। 3 स्कूलों में एक साथ इस तरह की बात आ रही है, तीनों में बम की कॉल आई है।
ओके प्लीज, थैंक यू।
We're crossing over to my colleague Sabyasachi, who's joining us from Sanskriti School. Sabyasachi, can you tell us more about what's taking place at this point when it comes to the bomb disposal units and the squads which are conducting an investigation? Can you also show us what the visuals are like with the security situation on the ground?
Well, absolutely. See, straight away showing the visuals out here. See, currently the Delhi police is still inside the premises of the school. And few minutes back, the bomb disposal squad along with the dog squad just left the premises of the Sanskriti school. And the Sanskriti school had received the threat email at around 7 a.m. in the morning, after which the school authority had reached out to the parents asking them to take back their children. And this particular threat email has been received by around 8 to 9 schools across the Delhi NCR region. And as we speak, some of the schools in the Delhi NCR region have now received the threat email as well. Now, the second important thing for the Delhi police is that to find out the source of the email, from where this email has been sent across to so many schools across the national capital. Now, the Delhi police have also informed the security agencies here in the national capital, and they will be also looking into this matter. Now, the main agenda of sending this threat email was to create panic, though now the school authority have not said that tomorrow also the school will remain closed or not, but there has been a panic situation among the parents. See, several schools here in the Delhi NCR region have received this threat email as various times. Some of them have received at around 4 a.m. in the morning, some of them have received at around 7:30 a.m. in the morning. But the schools in Dwarka were the first one to receive this threat email, after which the several schools across the Delhi NCR region have received it. Meanwhile, see, the Delhi police right now is sanitizing the entire school. Early in the morning also, they have thoroughly checked the premises. They have checked every single corridor of the school, and once again they are carrying out the search operation to make sure that no suspicious object is being found inside the school premises. Back to you.
Absolutely. Sabyasachi, thank you so much for joining us and giving us that very comprehensive ground report on what the situation is like outside of Sanskriti School. Do stay with us. We also are being joined by my colleague Akanksha, who I believe she has some parents of students with her. Akanksha, could you ask the parents how they feel about this bomb threat and whether they're even going to be comfortable sending their children to school tomorrow if everything is clear today?
Well, we spoke to a lot of parents here, and they told us as soon as they got the message, there was panic, and also they'd already dropped their children at school, and they had to go back and pick them up. As you also pointed out, multiple schools in the national capital and adjoining areas received the bomb threat. We are currently standing outside Mother Mary School in Mayur Vihar area, which is part of East Delhi, and we are in fact joined by a few parents here. आपका बच्चा यहाँ पढ़ता है, क्या कुछ स्कूल ने आपको बताया?
ये मेरी बेटी है वेरोनिका, ये पढ़ती है प्री प्राइमरी स्कूल, मतलब केजी क्लास में। तो सुबह 7:50 का टाइम था स्कूल का। उसके बाद जब मैं यहाँ पर आ रहा था तो देख रहा था कि बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स वापस जा रहे हैं, बच्चे वापस जा रहे हैं। तो मैंने एक ऐसी बेटी से पूछ लिया कि बेटा क्या हुआ। देखा स्कूल की छुट्टी हो गई, पता नहीं क्या हुआ है। तो मेरा बेटा भी एमआईटी स्कूल में पढ़ता है, तो दोनों की बाउंड्री सेम है। तो इसको मैं दोनों बच्चे साथ छोड़ने जाता हूँ। तो उस बेटे को छोड़ने गया, साथ में ये भी थी, और इसको लेके वापस घर आ गया। तो घर जाके पता चला तो वाइफ को एक मैसेज आया है क्लास टीचर से कि ईमेल के थ्रू एक थ्रेट मिला है, बॉम्ब का थ्रेट। तब लगा कि हाँ, तो इसलिए छुट्टी करी गई है।
तो यहाँ पैनिक का माहौल था जब आप यहाँ पे आए, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी बच्चे अंदर थे।
नहीं, बच्चे अंदर नहीं थे, बच्चों को इवैक्यूएट कर दिया था, ऑलमोस्ट कर दिया था इवैक्यूएट। कोई भी बच्चा अंदर नहीं था, ये गेट भी बंद था, टीचर्स खड़े थे, गार्ड्स खड़े थे यहाँ पे, और उसके बाद ये सब बच्चों को इवैक्यूएट कर चुके थे। ये
अभी कोई क्लैरिटी दी गई है स्कूल की तरफ से, कल रिज्यूम होगा नहीं?
नहीं, कोई क्लैरिटी नहीं है अभी।
कल के लिए कोई मैसेज आया?
कल के लिए मैसेज आया है, जो अभी जो एग्जाम थे आज 10th और 12th को कैंसिल कर दिए गए थे। तो अभी एक मैसेज अपडेट आया कि कल फिर से एग्जाम लिए जाएंगे 10th और 12th।
आज एग्जाम भी था, इसका बेटी का हिंदी का एग्जाम था, तो आज वो मुझे लगता है पोस्टपोन ही करा होगा।
You see, just a while back, a Delhi police official just came out and he said that nothing suspicious has been found so far. Currently, the search operation is underway. Delhi police officials, anti-bomb squad, fire tenders, all of them are currently inside. And the priority, firstly, in the morning was to evacuate children. Then search operation was conducted. And now, after the search operation, police will try and find out who is the person behind all this, and basically will try to track down his IP address.
All right, Akanksha, thank you so much for joining us and also getting us those voices from the ground about the worried parents. Now, we are going to be crossing over to my colleague Himanshu, who's also joining us. Himanshu, can you tell us about the developments that you've been tracking when it comes to this bomb scare?
Yeah, hi, Aisha. I mean, it's been a rather anxious and a frantic morning, particularly for me as a parent whose daughter is studying at one of the schools which have been evacuated. So I got the first text from a fellow parent at about 8:45 that there seems to be some sort of a bomb square. And I wasn't sure. I called up the school and the teacher told me that there are some security concerns. However, it would be advisable if you could come and pick your child up. After that, there was absolute barrage of calls and texts from everywhere that there's a bomb square, schools are getting evacuated. And then, shortly thereafter, I got a text from the school telling me that I have been asked to pick up my child immediately. So I did rush to the school, pandemonium all around, obviously worried, anxious, frantic parents trying to pick up their kids. So, and every possible government agency that you could think of, Aisha, was there at the spot. I could see cops, PCR vehicles, even a bomb disposal squad, and checks were happening all around. I did manage to pick up my child about half an hour back, but I've been told that even a child who's studying in nursery, they have to leave their bags at school because all the agencies, the government agencies, want to check every possible item which has come into the school today while they do the back-end screening for the IP address and other things as the correspondent was telling us. But even my child's bag has been kept in school today. Every school bag, every bottle, everything that has entered the school premises today will be checked, thoroughly inspected, and only then will the parents be allowed to take back the belongings tomorrow or maybe even day after.
All right, Himanshu, thank you so much for joining us and getting us that perspective as well, considering you're also a parent who's dealing with all of this.